So you can, oh, look how pretty. This is also so pretty to put on a steak, or it is also on a steak or what? We just eat steak here. Carnivore Girl's Creative Carnivore Kitchen. No plants, no dairy, the next level cooking show. Carnivore recipes with meat, fish, seafood, eggs, gelatin, flavored seltzer, water, and salt. From super easy to complicated, from quickly done to many hours in the kitchen. I always say everybody's body and brain are different, and you gotta figure out what works best for you. The carnivore lifestyle has tremendous benefits, healing effects, and is the best elimination diet. There are many different ways how to do carnivore. I found a way that momentarily works the best for me. In this cooking show, I'll show you it doesn't have to be boring and can be very creative, delicious, and fun. I already created so many carnivore recipes on Instagram at karnivorgirl. And I have this never-ending list on my phone with tons of ideas. My brain is a gift and a curse. Have fun with this episode. And another episode from my creative carnivore kitchen, Carnivore Girl here. So, hair down in the kitchen, not good idea. But it's just something, this time, something short, something with leftovers I have. You know, I cook very creative things that take a long time, that are complicated. But then I also do stuff that's very, very fast. This one is a fast one. So we're here, Ninja Foodie, because I have leftover broth from making stew meat, and I have leftover egg dough, actually from the same video when I made the egg dough taco, yeah, the egg dough tacos. Exactly, here is that video. So I'm actually gonna work with the leftovers here. So the Ninja Foodie, where is it? Sear, saute. So if you click the sear saute, oh, I should put start. You can do high, oh, medium high, medium, low medium, and low. I didn't even know that. Let's do medium high to start. Yeah. No, let's do high. Let's do high to start, and then we can lower it. So that means you're not, if you actually close this, did you see? Lid, wrong. Sear, saute, you have to keep it open because now it's just heating up from the bottom, and you want to just heat this up again. Maybe I'm gonna add some more water. So as I mentioned, stew meat was in here, salt, I know me, probably a little bit more salt in here. So we're gonna make a soup out of the leftovers and the egg dough here. My leftover egg dough, here in the back. So this time quite thick here, here a bit thinner. Oh well, I actually want to flip it over. So, and I still have cookie cutters. They're so old, I'm telling you. And I have even the little ones. They're so cool. So I want to cut out, I don't even know if I need all of it because just for the soup. So basically, how do you say, in German we would say einlagen. So it's just to put in the soup. So you can, oh, look how pretty. This is also so pretty to put on a steak, or it is also on a steak or what? We just eat steak here, a roast or whatever. I've done that before. Yeah, this egg dough is so awesome. So, do we get that in here? Barely. So, didn't do a good job. I want some of the little ones because for the soup, the little ones are a bit better probably. And chopstick always comes handy. Stars and hearts I have here. So, should you also do some little stars? So yeah. So, okay, why is this soup not heating up? It should. I think it does. So, just gonna put that already in here. See, we have stars, and so I don't think I have that much soup. It's better the little ones for the soup. The big ones are probably too big in the soup because the little ones are cool because you can, when you, well, usually people eat soup with a spoon, so they also, well, that probably fits in a spoon as well. Take them apart. So, some more of the hearts. Oh yeah, I hear the soup. So, I think that's enough. Ah, of course, you could also just cut it in very thin stripes. You know, usually people used to do that with leftover omelette, and then we call it in Switzerland flatly Suppe. Flatly soup, meaning the omelette stripes were the flatly. I think that's good. Okay, ooh, I hear it. Yep. It is starting to cook. Where's my... So we just wanted to heat this up actually. Medium high, medium. Have it on medium now. Actually, I'm gonna take it out soon because I have here, actually just turned it off. I still have also from this video some leftover, well, it's American style Kobe. It's not real Kobe, but really good ground beef. And I don't want it on the, in that hot thing anymore, so I'm gonna take this off the stove. So, should I put it in here or in there? I put it in here. So I just wanted to put some of those, that ground beef in here. And it's gonna cook it a little bit, but not too much, so it's still kind of raw, but not totally raw. Well, of course you can also cook it. I like raw meat. Just gonna put some in here. And whatever leftovers you have, just throw it in there. Oh, it's probably still hot a little bit. And we're just gonna pull it out in here. I know there's one more. Yeah. So. Oh, look, those cool little things. I think the big one is on the ground. Some more of these. So some are more well done, some stay more raw. Okay. Oh, yeah. Cool. Pretty. And that's it. So fast. So easy. Just putting it together with leftovers. Now we're gonna enjoy it. Ooh. And it looks so pretty. Ooh, and look, there's still like really nice red and the yellow. It's fun. Okay, let me get here. Have a piece of meat and a piece of egg dough. Oh yeah. And look at all that fat. That is healthy, delicious fat. Come on. Oh yeah. Oh, I can really feel the nutrients. Don't you have that too? When you eat soup, it's like really, it feels so nutritious. Well, of course, healthy soup, meat soup, egg soup, fish soup, seafood soup. I always feel like, ooh, the nutrients. So good. Really quick and easy. And really pretty with the egg dough. I see you next week for another episode from my kitchen, from my creative carnivore kitchen. See you next week. Bye. Really quickly, this is how I store the egg dough. So I just put it in here, so like fold this, put it on a plate, and now I put it in the fridge. Or sometimes I even put it in a Tupperware like that when I have a Tupperware that's big enough. But that's how I store the egg dough. Thanks for watching. If you try out this recipe, please tag me and let me know how you like it. Subscribe, share, like, comment, follow me on Instagram @carnivorgirl. See you next week in my next episode of Carnivore Girl's Creative Carnivore Kitchen. No plants, no dairy, the next level cooking show.